Hai, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Shahruddin and my matrix number is S54800. This is my individual task for my subject, petrochemistry. Okay, I would like to share about how fossil fuel were formed. First, we must know what is fossil fuel. Definition from Oxford Language: fossil fuel is a natural fuel such as coal or gas formed in the geological past from the remains of living organisms and contain carbon and hydrogen can be burned for energy.
For your information, crude oil, coal and gas are fossil fuel. They were formed over millions of years from the remains of the organism. Coal was formed from that plant material, while crude oil and gas were formed from that material organism. Crude oil means a mixture of hydrocarbon that exists in liquid phase in natural underground reservoir and remain liquid at atmospheric pressure after passing through the surface separating facilities. Oil and gas formation begin with the accumulation of organic on the seafloor, and this will only occur in rather unusual setting, where there is no oxygen present to break the organic remain down and no seafloor dwelling organism present in might feed on the organic. At the height sediment pile become deeper, the organic within it are subjected to heat and pressure which lead to formation of oil and gas. For coal typically form on land from vegetation in lowland, swampy and mire environment. Coal contain high amount of carbon and hydrocarbon. Many of us didn't know how coal was formed. Before the dinosaur, many giant plants died in swamp. Over millions of years, the plants were buried under water and the heat and pressure turned the dead plant into coal.
Analysis of crude oil from several fields provide an excellent demonstration of infrared petroleum generation, migration, and entrapment. Interpretation of the systematic variation in crude oil chemistry within the regional geologic and structural framework has been invaluable in inferring source attribute and delineating location and distribution of unpenetrated probable source. How fossil fuel were explored? Fossil fuel can be explored in three ways. First, identify oil and gas reserves. Oil reserves are an estimate of the amount of crude oil located in a particular economic region. To qualify, oil reserve mark has potential of being extracted under current technology constraint. Reserves are calculated based on a proven, probable basis, meaning oil pool situated in unattainable deep. Second, assess those reserves. And lastly, extract and deliver the product. When we refer to crude oil as a raw material for the chemical industry, we are usually referring to crude oil which is a mixture of hydrocarbon. Strictly, we should be using the term petroleum, derived from Latin petra, raw, and oleum oil. Petroleum describes not only the mixture of hydrocarbon in crude oil, including the gas and solid which are dissolved in the liquid, but also any free gas, known as natural gas, associated with it.
This is several techniques that used to find fossil fuel. First, geophysical technique. Surveying and mapping surface and subsurface geologic feature which technique such as seismic reflection to identify area which is oil and gas may have accumulated. Geophysical technique will identifying the best location to drill an exploratory well to test the hydrocarbon traps. Drilling, exploration and delineation well to determine where hydrocarbons are present. Completing construction of well and site facilities demand capable to producing commercial quantities of oil and gas. Second, remote sensing. Remote sensing like onshore exploration, but rather than truck and geophones, a ship is used to convey equipment need to generate the seismic wave and gather the seismic data. And hydrophone are used to pick up seismic wave underwater. And lastly, wildcat. Wildcat is one that is drilled in a new area where no other well exists, and generally we scan information about 1 in 10 wildcat well strike or oil and gas, but only one in perhaps 15 locate economically significant amount. While cat well are generally drilled at a smaller diameter than normal because this save money.
Drilling technology in petroleum. First, we call cable tow drilling. Drilling technology is a less drilling method to drill a borehole, particularly for shallow oil or gas. They operate by repeatedly lifting and dropping a heavy string or drilling tool into borehole. Next, rotary drilling. New lengths of pipe are added as the hole deepens. Amount of water, clay and chemical is pumped down the hollow pipe and is forced to the surface between the pipe and the wall of the hole. Lastly, directional drilling. Drilling by simply pointing the drill in the direction is need to drill. Drilling well at multiple angles, not just vertically to better reach and produce oil and gas reserve. That is all from me, and thank you to my lecturer and my fellow friend.